Good morning, children. So we are discussing about the divisibility rules, isn't it? In divisibility rule 2 and test rule of 3, 5, 10, these are all completed. Now divisibility rule of 6, 9 and 8. Okay. So actually divisibility rule of 8, the sums are not given in the textbook, but we will be knowing to what is the rule of divisibility test by 8. Okay. So first everyone open your Max class book. And in that write the heading divisibility test by 6. Okay, divisibility test by 6. Now for that write the definition. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, comma, it is divisible by 6. See, for example, look at the board. Example I am explaining, don't write in the classwork. The number 12. Okay, 12, it is the one of the multiple of 2 and one of the multiple of 3. It means 12 can be divided in 2 table, 2 6 are 12, and in 3 table also 3 4s are 12. So in 2 table, 3 table, 12 is divisible. So the 12 now it is divisible by 6 also, because in 2 and 3 table as it is divising, so it is possible to divisible by 6 also. For example, one more number I am taking. Here 15 will take it as an example. So 15 only it is divisible. It is a factor of 3. Isn't it? Only in 3 table, 3 5s are 15, it can be divisible, but in 2 table it is not possible. So it means in 3 table it is possible, in 2 table it is not possible. So as it is, one is it is possible and one is not possible, the 15 is not divisible by 6. Okay, so only one thing you have to remember, the given number as it is possible in 2 table or 3 table, if 2 and 3 tables are divisible that number, then only it is divisible by 6. Okay, now write the example for the divisibility test by 6. Okay, for that example, textbook page number 79, section 5, from the today's homework, I am taking first number as an example, children. The first number is 1332. Okay, 1332. So 1332, check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. And at the same time you have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so now how to do the solution? First, divisibility test by 2. So what is the rule for the divisibility test by 2? In ones place, if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, if these numbers, any one number is there in the ones place, definitely that number is going to divisible by 2. So without doing the long division, first I am going to check in ones place. Okay, in ones place as it is 2 even number, so definitely this 1332 is divisible by 2. Okay, now what is the divisibility test by 3? What is the rule for that? First, the given number have to do all the digits total, isn't it? So second, divisibility test by 3. For that what you have to do? Add the total of the given numbers, all digits. So it means 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So after doing the total, as we are getting 9, 9 can be divisible in 3 table, isn't it? So it means the number 1332, it is possible to divisible by 6 also. Why? Because it is divisible by 2 and 3. So conclusion, you can write it the next page, children. So the given number 1332 can divisible by 2, 3. So it is divisible by 6 also. Okay, so like that, how to check the remaining sums of section 5, 6, 7. Okay, write down everyone, copy it neatly. The rule for divisibility test 6. Next. Okay, now next one, divisibility test by 9. For this also, the rule which we are following for the 3, the testable, the rule what we are following for the 3, the same will follow for this also. What is that rule? Have to add the total of the given numbers, all the digits. And if the total is divisible by 9, definitely the given number is divisible by 9. Okay, so now write the next heading, divisibility test by 9. Write down definition. A number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Okay, example. For this example, I am taking section 6, the first sum 7938. Have to check whether this 7938 is divisible by 9 or not. Okay, how to do the solution? Check do the total of all digits. Okay, it means 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 8. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 16 plus 9 is equal to 19. 19 plus 8 is equal to 27. Is 27 is a multiple of 9 or not? Yes, it is multiple. How many times? 9 3s are 27. So as it is multiple by 9, the given number 7938 also divisible by 9. Now write this conclusion. Therefore, the sum of 7,938 is 27. It is multiple of 9. So the given number divisible by 9. So the given number is divisible by 9. Copy it neatly. So for the divisible test of 3 and 9, same rule. What we are following that? Have to do total of the given numbers, all the digits, and if the total is divisible by 3 and 9, the given sum also divisible by 9 or 3. Okay? Based on this rule, section 6 in textbook page number 9, remaining sums have to do. Okay, same. What is the procedure I did for the solution? You also have to do it like that only. Last rule, write down next heading, divisibility test by 8. Divisibility test by 8. Write it, divisibility test by 8. Okay, for the divisibility test by 8, what is the procedure means? From the given number, for example 4364. Okay, from the given number, last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the given number definitely divisible by 8. It means the last 3 numbers are 364. Okay, now do the division of 364 with 8. 8 fours are 32. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and bring it down 4. 8 fives are 14. The remainder is 4. So as we are getting remainder 4, the given number 4364 is not divisible by 8. If we get the remainder 0, then the number definitely divisible by 8. For example, one more number I am saying here, 1232. Okay, so for 1332, we have to check last 3 digits whether it is divisible by 8 or not. So 232 divided by 8, 23. It is not possible. So 8 twos are 16. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7, and 2 have to carry forward. Okay, so now it will become 72. In 8 table 72 is possible. How many times we will get 72? 9 times it will multiply. So 9 8s are 72. 72 minus 72, 0. So we got the remainder. As we get the remainder 0, 1232 is divisible by 8. It means last 3 numbers in hundreds place, tens place and ones place, if the last 3 numbers are divisible by 8, then the remainder, if it is 0, then the given number is possible to divisible by 8. So everyone, now open your No. Classwork, and in the continue how to write, children? Divisibility test by 8. Write on the formula. A number is divisible by 8, comma, a number is divisible by 8, comma, if the last three digits are divisible by 8 okay, a number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits are divisible by 8. Example, write down 1232, the same number what I have explained as a example. Okay, 1232. Now write the solution. Divide last three digits of given number so last three digits given number, underline last three digits, 1, 2, 3, count it and underline, and the last three digits are 232 divisible by 8. If the remainder is 0, then only the 1232 is divisible by 8. Okay. Now 232 divide with 8. 8 2s are 16. Okay. So take borrow, and 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. And bring it down 2. Now the remainder is 72. 72 in 8 table, how many times it is multiplied? 9 times. Isn't it? 8 9s are 72. 72 minus 72, the remainder is 0. So exactly it is divisible, dividing by 8. So as the remainder is 0, 1232 is divisible by 8. Okay, so based on the divisibility test by 8, about this we are not having any sums in the textbook. Okay. So up to now, textbook page number 79 till section 6 is completed. Now 7th section, circle the numbers divisible by both 2 and 5. What is the divisibility rule for 2, children? Only in the ones place you have to check 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 numbers are there or not. Okay, and for the 5 have to check in ones place whether 0 or 5 is there or not. Okay, based on that rule, if the you have to find out which numbers are divisible by 2 and 5 together. Okay, so after that fill in the blanks are there, A, B, C. So you have to write any 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 6 and fill in the missing numbers to form the number which is divisible by 9, and fill in the missing digit to form a number that is divisible by 3 and 5. So section A you have to do with your own. B and C concept is same. So I am going to give the clue for one sum. Based on that, section B and C how to do. Okay. Last topic of the chapter, children. (7,300-2). We have to check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. Okay, so we have to find the number the missing number, by adding which number exactly the given number can be divisible by 9. So what is the rule for the given number to divisible test by 9? First we have to do the total of given number. Okay. 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus the last blank I am leaving last. Okay. Now add the given numbers. The digits total is 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Is 12 divisible by 9? No. So by adding which number will we get the total of 18? 18, why I am saying 18 means in 9 table 18 is the one of the multiple, isn't it? 9 twos are 18. So by adding 6 we are getting the total 18. So it means the missing number in the blank is 6. If you add this all the numbers, excuse me, we will be get the total of 18 and which is the multiple of 9. Okay, like this section B and section C sums which are there in the textbook page number 79. One is how to check for the divisibility test by 9 and one more one how to check the divisibility test by 3. The concept is same. Okay, so today's homework complete section 5, 6, 7 and section A, B, C in textbook page number 79 in your maths notebook.